looks like I am ready to start spraying, but I'm just gonna tape this over itself so next time I can grab it. Okay. And I'll have to move this stuff over here. I got my phone here, my water, and I'm gonna work from here that way underneath the stairs first. So I'm using my Clorox, and I told you why I'm using that. Oh, okay. I'm just using full strength. Okay? Full strength, and I already tested this Hudson sprayer out. It's just a cheap one. $20 will do you. I want to get that in the sand, in the grit. I'm going to dump this in. I don't know how much I'm going to need. I'm just going to do a gallon at a time. You can get a Hudson sprayer, a 3/4 gallon, one gallon, a gallon and a half, I think, 2 gallons. This looks like a 2-gallon container. Okay, I'm just going to use a gallon at a time. That's all. Let's just keep this over here. Now, get that in there. Tighten her up. You ever use the Hudson sprayer? You tighten it and then you push down and back it off just a little bit, and now you can get the pump out, see? And then turn it to tighten it, back off, then you can use that to unscrew it. Okay? Now I can just pump this up. And usually you want to go until you feel it pretty stiff. I don't know how much I should do it. That looks good. And I can do a little test on there if I want it. I can adjust the flow to make it wider or not. I think I got it about right. Okay? So now I'm pretty much set. And this shouldn't really take me too terribly long. You know, I got to keep my camera way back out of the way, right? And I got my knee pad. I don't know if I'll really need it, but I'll just set it here. And now I can just spray this stuff all the way back here. Just saturating the whole thing. And see, it's gonna drip. But I don't really care about that. I just have to work in front of it. I'm even doing the mud seal plate down here. Get all the step underneath it, on the back side, everything. If anything grows after this, pouring Clorox on it, man, that's some stout stuff then. This stuff is pretty potent. I'm already starting to get some whiffs of it. Ooh. Ah. Ah. Been too slick there. Ah. Mercy. I gotta get the back side of this. Okay. Whew. I had some screws down there. They just got plastered. Oh well. My boots are still working good. And you don't have to use Clorox. That's just what I decided to use. Boy. I need to get out here and catch my breath. Wow. Just gonna go. I'm gonna stay out just, not a whole lot. Fine, but I think before I go any further, I forgot I should do up in here first. See, way up in there, I got to get my ladder situated and a bucket so that I can get all the way up in there saturated with that. Okay, I'll get set up to do that next. Catch my breath. I know I've got halfway, a little bit more than halfway up. All right. I can't show you that. I've already done it up in there, but I set my ladder up, put my 2x6 under it, put my 4x12 under it, got up on the ladder. I ended up not having to use a bucket. I just reached up as far as I could, and I made sure I had plenty of pressure on the Hudson sprayer, and then I just reached my arm up there as high as I could, and all directions, all four directions, and the water and the stuff the bleach is coming down. So I'm pretty sure I got that really good. Okay. Wow. I'm doing her. Well, that's all I got for this time, but I'll be back with more videos.